Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will be focusing on the power board repair for the Thermomix TM31. First, gather your tools. You will need a screwdriver set, specifically a Torx T20 and a flathead screwdriver. Additionally, have some isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth ready for cleaning. Begin by unplugging the Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Next, remove the 4 screws located at the base of the unit using the Torx T20 screwdriver. Carefully lift the top cover off, revealing the internal components. Once you have access to the internals, locate the power board. It is typically situated near the back of the unit. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any debris or dust, use the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the area. This step is crucial as it can prevent future issues. Make sure you get into the corners where dust tends to accumulate. Now, check the wiring connections on the power board. If any wires are loose, gently reattach them. For those who may not have the necessary tools or expertise, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your appliance is in good hands. Next, if you find any damaged components, you will need to replace them. Take note of any screws or clips holding the board in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. If you're uncomfortable with this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. It allows us to handle the repair for you. After removing the power board, inspect it thoroughly. Look for any capacitors or resistors that appear burnt or damaged. These components can often be found on the reverse side of the board as well, so flip it over and check carefully. Once you identify the faulty parts, you can order replacements from a reliable source. Ensure that you compare your new components with the old ones to confirm compatibility. If you're putting the board back in and feel uncertain about the repair, you can always request a quote before repair through our services. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Reassemble the Thermomix by positioning the power board back into its place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Once everything is back together, plug in the unit and perform a final test to ensure everything is working properly. Remember, maintaining your Thermomix TM31 is essential for its longevity. Regular cleaning and checks can prevent bigger issues down the line. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. No calls, no travel are needed, just a simple message to get started. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.